Hey guys, Blind Lake Mechanic here. You've heard of tabletop reviews. Well, this is a tailgate top review. I bought some stuff from Speedmaster during their Black Friday sale. I'm just going to show it to y'all. There's some of their fabricated powder coated valve covers. I'm really impressed with them. We'll do a fitment video later and see how they fit, but fabricated, welded out really good. Aluminum construction, super lightweight. I bought the black powder coated ones. Excuse the dogs, they're revved up today. Bought the Speedmaster Pro Billet distributor. Uh, Small cap. All I had in stock was I think the blue or the red cap. Can't remember which one I got here, but it's the small cap Ford style. So there it is. And then I got some plug wires. I think they're 10.8 or 11 millimeter. Anyways, as you see there, I got two boxes. One of those will be for the giveaway. So y'all like, comment, and share for that giveaway. Like I said, once we reach 1,000 viewers, I'll be giving away some performance parts. But there the stuff is from Speedmaster, and you'll see it in some upcoming videos. Also, forgot to tell y'all folks, it's my birthday today. Today's December 18th. I'm releasing this video today, but it's my birthday. Uh, So y'all wish me luck on the project and a happy birthday if you would. Appreciate you.